in today's video we're going to go and go on a little road trip. If you've seen the last video, you'll notice I did these mud flaps, and if you haven't, be sure to go and watch them because they're still holding up pretty well. They've been on for a couple of weeks. This one's just rubbed a bit there, but isn't coming off, not going anywhere. But we're going to go on a road trip, look at one or two trucks that I want to get, as my lady's now passed the test, so she'll be having this while I have something else. So just want to go and have a look at what I could potentially have and see what you guys think as well. So let's go. So this is the OBS 250, and I think I'm in love with it. Very nice. We're just about to go up the road and see what we think. What do you think of it?
Very nice.
I still want to look at the other one and see what that one's like, but needs a bit of TLC, but definitely not bad. Definitely not bad. I'm just hard. I probably should. first one I buy. Didn't even want to look at the other one after I looked at this one. The guy was very generous to throw in the rear bed cover and a load of other parts for it. It sounds and runs mint. Not one thing wrong with it. Everything works exactly how it should. I've already put my touch on it. And as you saw from all the shots, it is perfect. I've got all these boots, loads of paperwork, bunch of parts the guy never got around to fitting, even more paperwork in there. I'm very happy with it. This is where it's come from. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think. Put in the comments below what you think. My lady's now got that one, which she's very happy with. So, yeah. Let me know what you think. I'll put in the description as well my buddy who did all the videos and the photos for me. Okay, you'll see in the video, you'll see it on my Instagram and anywhere else, Facebook, wherever. So I'll put in the description below his Instagram and all that stuff. And then hit him up if you want any photography doing with your truck or car or whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Yeah, thanks for watching.